Hey, good morning. This is Ralph, and I thought I'd shoot a quick video before my morning workout. I was thinking about a Jim Rohn quote earlier this morning when I woke up and started reading some of my DMs on Facebook. Jim Rohn once said, "You can make up for in numbers what you lack in skills." And this is absolutely true. If you suck at being a salesperson, you can still make sales by just keeping your numbers high. Talk to lots and lots of people every day about your business, and you can start making sales. But don't stay stuck in playing the numbers game. This is where I see so many relatively successful entrepreneurs fall short, is that they continue just keeping their numbers high, talking to lots and lots of people without really knowing the proper way to start talking to certain people. They start angling to make sales very, very, very early in the DM conversation, like in the first message or second message or even third message, and they're just playing the numbers game. I end up blocking a lot of those people or unfriending a lot of those people because I know they're pushy salespeople and they are so desperate to make a sale that they have to ask in the very first message. What I recommend is give people a chance to get to know you, like you, and trust you. And this is where the really successful entrepreneurs shine. There's one guy I know on Facebook. He has never pitched me to make a sale yet, but I know that he's successful and he's invited me to take a look at his page. I've looked at it, and this guy knows his business. And it shows in the way he posts on social media. He doesn't have to angle to make a sale. He just says, "Hey, this is who I am. This is what I do. Take a look at my page and see if you'd like to do business with me." He doesn't even say that, really. He just says that in other words. This guy is good. So you can get started in sales by just keeping your numbers high with zero skills. But if you want to really shine in sales, develop skills along the way. And instead of getting like a 0.5% conversion rate or 1% conversion rate, you can get up there to 10% conversion rate or even higher by building your skill sets. Don't get stuck in the low skill market. Keep learning, keep growing. Ralph signing out.